Hello, my name is Damian and this is Modurol. This is the home of our long-form video content. It remains the central hub for our most complex and detailed technical work. And this is the home for the long-form documentaries and complex engineering deep dives, such as our ongoing manual transmission swap. By simplifying the maintenance repairs on these cars through our videos, we hope to ensure that the cars last longer and they avoid becoming money pits to their owners. And we're also hopefully enabling owners to be able to fix their own cars, even if they aren't formally trained in car repairs and mechanics. To keep this technical library focused, we've expanded into two specialised channels. Those channels are Modurol Shorts, which acts as our fast-paced feeder channel, providing 60-second fixes that we would also share on TikTok and Instagram to introduce a younger, more diverse audience to the world of Jaguar. Meanwhile, Modurol Live is our interactive community space for real-time workshops on our monthly Modurol Meet, where we feature guest subscribers, creators, Q&A that we've received through the week, and generally try and have a bit of fun. We're also seeking contributions to our database at modurol.co.uk. If you have a rare PDF or technical document, brochure, or sources of remanufactured spares which aren't available anymore, please share them with us so we can work and learn together and make it readily available to fellow owners and enthusiasts. Please subscribe to all three channels and therefore stay fully connected with everything you need to help keep your XK8 on the road. Thanks very much for watching. Catch you in the next video. Bye bye.